Hi everyone, this is Ruchika Jamwal, and in this video I have taken up a topic of English of class 12th, that is lay. It's chapter 4th of J.K. Bose syllabus. Now, lay is written by Andrew Harvey, and the writer of the chapter is Andrew Harvey, and the style of writing he has used in this prose is descriptive, as he has described the beauty of lay here in this prose. So he has described in this prose his own visit to Leh. So it is a travelogue. उसकी जर्नी है, उसका ट्रैवल है ले की तरफ, और वो ले को उसने वो सारा एक्सपीरियंस जो है यहाँ शेयर किया है. Leh is the highest cold desert in the world, we all know, and has a very little vegetation. So the writer visited Leh because he wanted to gather information about it. He was accompanied by an Italian girl who was not very happy with the travel in Leh, because for her Leh is having no charm. So, but the author found Leh as a very charming place, and the most fascinating thing which author found in Leh is that in Leh you are away from the hectic life and you can slow down, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature, which you cannot do in cities. Right, urban areas you are not able to find this kind of relaxing प्लेस. सो यहाँ का विजिट जो है उसने उसके बारे में पूरा हमें डिस्कस किया हुआ है, इसमें डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. नाउ ले इन इट्स पैलेस, इट इज़ बिल्ट ऑन अ बिग रॉक, बाउल्डर्स पे बना हुआ है, एंड डेजल इन एवरी लाइट, हर सुबह शाम इवनिंग एंड नाइट टू. When the moon rises above the palette, it's one of balcony जो है, it seems to be wearing an earring. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कान में झुमका पहना है. किसी भी रोशनी में आप देखें, दिन की, सुबह की, रात की, आपको ले ब्यूटीफुली लगेगा पैलेस. द कंडीशन ऑफ पैलेस इज एज सच नॉट गुड, इट इज फॉलिंग एंड क्रम्बलिंग, बहुत पुराना है. इट इज इन बैड कंडीशन. Just because of the bad condition of the palace, the queen and her family have shifted to a smaller place some 10 miles away from the Leh, that is Stock. So there is a suspension bridge while going from Leh to Stock, which is covered with the colorful prayer flags, and it look as it is a circus tent, because जब वो wind blows and the end of the flags they touch each other, and they give a look of a tent because of the colorful flags also. And the young Ladakhi driver and the people of Leh are having a belief that if we will not chant the mantras while passing the suspension bridge, the river would get angry, and so they offer prayers for their well-being while passing the bridge. When the writer reaches the palace of Stoke, he decided not to enter the palace, क्योंकि उसको लगा कि अंदर जाने से तो dark rooms ही मिलेंगी, so he decided to walk up in the mountain paths. While moving up higher in the mountains, he saw many things. He saw Ladakhi with their donkeys laden with wood, small blue flowers growing on path side. He also find grass growing between rocks. Top of the mountain, you find a heap of stones around the rock and a shepherd hut. The hut was having a torn roof and a bushes grown on one of his wall. The writer decided to rest in the shepherd's hut. उसने सोचा यहीं रह लेता हूँ, and he eats his bread and cheese. On the wall he finds that word Om written with charcoal again and again, and under each word letter there is a rough sketch of Buddha. So ले के लोग जो हैं बुद्धा को मानते हैं, and they chant a mantra that is called Om Mani Padme Hum. So यहाँ के लोग जो हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुद्धा के फॉलोअर्स हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट ले. ले है कैसा वहाँ के, ये मैं एक शॉर्ट समरी में आपको बताया है. सो ले के बारे में पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन जो है राइटर ने इसमें दिया है. थैंक यू सो मच.